Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Prajakta Bapat. Today we are going to discuss one popular concept of digital marketing, that is search engine optimization, popularly known as SEO. Let us understand first what is SEO. So as an individual, if I am searching something on a search engine, that is say Google, Bing or Yahoo, if I am searching something, I get results like a lot of links you get, right? Around 10 pages we get as a result, and every page might contain 10 to 12 links. So as a layman, we do not understand whether it is paid or unpaid, and usually we have a tendency that whatever links or whatever results we get in the beginning, we tend to click only on that and use the content or consume the content. We do not look for the next pages of results, right? So as a website owner, if I want that rankings, I want everybody to visit my website, I want my website to be shown in the first in the results, I need to put some efforts into that. So there are various strategies through which I can increase the visibility. I can optimize the website to improve the visibility of my channel, of my website, or of an Instagram account. So it is applicable everywhere. SEO is applicable to the social media platforms as well as to the websites. So the goal of SEO is to attract traffic towards your website. So now this is all is unpaid, this is an organic efforts made. So these kind of strategies are used free of cost and all the time. So it's an ongoing process. It is not like that today you used these strategies and forever your website is going to be shown in the beginning. It will take time, and continuous monitoring is required, adjustments are required, every time updations have to be done, but these efforts will increase the visibility of your website. So let us understand how these can be done, what are the strategies to be used. So first is on page SEO. What is on page SEO? Is on your website or on your web page, on your YouTube channel, on your own Instagram account, on the page, what can be done to increase the visibility, what efforts can be made. So there is a concept of keyword. What is keyword? As a viewer, as an audience, as I am consuming the data, when I am consuming some kind of information, when I'm searching for something, I use specific keywords. Okay, now these keywords I have to identify as a website owner, or the one who actually performs SEO strategies has to understand, has to identify what are the terms or phrases or words people are searching for, and use that strategically somewhere in your website. So what will increase that words, through that words your website can be captured and its visibility can be increased. Second is content optimization. What is content optimization? Is create high quality content, try to have a relevant content, give informative information, give informative content which will help users, which will answer their queries, and if they find the website useful, they are going to come again and again to your website. And understand one thing, if your website has got more views, more visits, more time has been spent by the viewers, then surely it is going to increase the visibility of your website. So content optimization is also very important. Then moving to next is meta tags. Now what is meta tags? Is if you are putting in titles or description headings, see to it that you are giving proper titles, proper headings. It will increase the chances of visibility. Use relevant keywords, so it should be relevant to what content you have provided. Then there is something called as internal linking. So structure your website in such a way that you are giving links of your internal web pages. So for example, as a viewer, if I visit your website, I should be able to navigate easily that where is the other page. I want to see something, some part of your other website. There has to be link, and it should be easily accessible on your front page of a website. So internal linking. Then image optimization. What is image optimization? Is use proper file names, compression of images properly, and using relevant images will also improve the search, right? It will also improve the visibility of your website. Moving to next, second is off page SEO. What is off page SEO? Is if you are having your own website, these strategies we can use is an off on page SEO. Apart from that website, apart from that page, other pages also can be, I mean, apart from your page, what efforts can be made besides your page, besides your channel. So backlinks meaning if you use some other website's link, which is a reputable website of a specific brand or a government website's link, if you try to inculcate that in your website, that is going to increase the visibility or a weightage of your website as well. Okay, but it has to be through proper way. Okay, it will increase the trust to your website. Then there is something called as social media signals. This everybody might have experienced. Social media signal meaning when I visit say Instagram or YouTube or WhatsApp, I tend to get advertisement of other websites. Like you see advertisement of Nika, advertisement of Amazon, and you get a link also there to visit to that website. This is nothing but social media website, because nowadays people spend most of their screen time on social media, right? So if I am using social media, I can show websites there. It's kind of reminder websites give that these are the websites you can visit, and then people who are interested tend to visit to the website more. There are chances that people will visit your website more through social media signals. Then brand mentions. So even mentions of your brand across the web will improve trustworthiness or authority. So usually you must have seen consumers or the audiences, they tag brands, right? Can be on social media, can be on the website as well. This will increase the visibility of your channel. Then there is something called as technical SEO. So what is technical SEO is if you make certain changes in your website, okay, it will help users to find your website easily. For example, site speed. So everybody knows that there are many websites which are very slow, which takes a lot of time to load, and if it takes time, we do not like it, we immediately leave that website and try to find some other options, right? So there has to be a faster loading system. So if you have faster loading pages, they are usually favored by the search engine also and by the users also. Mobile friendliness. A mobile responsive design is very important, because nowadays 80 to 90% of the tasks are performed through mobile itself. So if we make website which is mobile friendly, which is accessible through mobile easily, then people do like such kind of websites. Site architecture. Ensure that there has to be a proper easy site map, easy to navigate the system, and you proper URL structure. So if I am visiting your website as a layman, I should be able to understand your website properly. It should not be clumsy, it should be easy, convenient to use. Then next is crawlability. Crawlability is very important concept. So crawlability meaning, see, usually when I search something, I get lot of results. Now many a times we wonder that how we get these results. So these search engines have automated programs. They are called as search bots. Okay, just say for example, Google has Google bot, Bing has Bing bot, Yahoo has Slurp. So what they do is, these crawlers, they crawl around continuously on the various websites. They visit various websites. They search for what information is new. Okay, they try to capture the updated information of your website, and they pass on that information to the search engines. Now when information is passed on, search engines will make index on the basis of that. Index meaning they'll give basically rankings, and according to that rankings, search results are shown. So if I don't update my website very often, crawlers will not capture the information, and I will go in the rankings down. Right, my rankings won't be good because I have not updated the information. But vice versa, if I find that my website has to be like updated continuously, and if I make some efforts, crawlers will automatically capture the newly added information, the updated information, and they will send it to the search engines, and automatically visibility of your channel is going to increase. So give some space to the crawlers to crawl around. So for that, site architecture is important, and then try to update the information as well. Then user experience. So what is user experience? Is basically UX, meaning how people feel, what is the experience of the user while interacting with a product or a system or a service, right? Especially in case of digital marketing, when people experience that with they are visiting the website, whether it is slow, whether it is clumsy, mobile apps, if they are complicated, people do not like it, right? To try to have a user friendly model of your website or a channel. How you identify is, so there is something called as dwell time. Dwell time meaning the amount of time visitors spend on your website. So if they are spending more time on your website, that means they are interested to visit your website. Probably they are finding something on your website, so it's a good sign. Bounce rate meaning how quickly people leave your website without interacting it. So more bounce rate, I mean more number, is not good. Then navigation, clear, easy to use website navigation. It will enhance user experience and also can impact on the rankings. Moving to the last part, that is local SEO. What is local SEO is, if I have, say for example, if you have a restaurant and you want that locally people should understand, and they should come to my restaurant, they should be aware that this is the restaurant is in existence. So what I can do is to capture the local attention. There is one free tool provided by Google for the various types of businesses, that is called as GMB, Google My Business Optimization, wherein you can sign in and keep on updating the information. This way you will have online presence, and when as a layman I am searching restaurants near me, if any restaurant has locally, I mean they have signed into GMB and updated the information, visibility of their restaurant, their website is surely going to increase. So that is how you capture the local attention. Then local citations, building consistent name, address, phone number will increase the visibility. So through the local directories, try to provide the information. Then there is something called as reviews and ratings. Reviews and ratings meaning, usually when you go to any place, say for example Ola, Uber, or even Swiggy, Zomato, they ask you for reviews. Why? Because when you give reviews, it is going to help out to the others. So locally when you visit some place, first you find it on usually Google or some search engines, and when you see reviews and ratings, we tend to visit that place. So giving reviews and ratings will also increase the visibility of your channels. So these are the strategies which you can usually use to increase the traffic organically. Now there is something called as SEM, search engine marketing, which is usually paid strategy used to the purpose is same, but SEM it is paid. So in the next video we will be discussing in detail about SEM. Thank you.